This is a high-low poker game called Towers. As you can see, there's two rows of 5 cards each on the deal, and every player gets 5 cards in his hand. On the deal, the top and bottom cards are open like this. And of course, the betting commences when on the deal and after you turn the first card. And then when you assess your hands, then the subsequent cards are open. And this is the way they're opened. This card here and this card here. Remember, this is a high-low game with a high pot, a low pot, and sometimes high-low, somebody declares both ways. When those cards are open, there's a series of bets that are made, and usually it's a maximum of 4 bet and 3 raises. Then on the next play, 2 more cards are turned over here and here. Always a card in the opposite side. And again, a series of bets are made, and then the next set of cards are opened. Again, a series of bets are made, only now the bets have increased to 5 chips, $5 per bet. And remember, there's a bet and 3 raises. And then the final card is open. And those are the final hands that are observed by the players and bet on by the players. Now, I did open my hand, the dealer's hand, and this is what I have here. You read those cards, you can see that using 2 or 3 cards in my hand, you use 2 cards if you're going up and down one of the rows. You can only use from one side of the row, however. You can use 3 cards in your hand if you're going across, but you have to use the 2 cards that are going across only in one row. And then after all the bets are made, there is a declaration of a high or low or high-low by showing the chips. One for high, one for low, 2 for high, and 3 for high-low. And then now I'm going to open the other cards and see if we can determine which hands won this particular game. So this is player number 1. This is player number 2. This is player number 3. This is player number 4. This is player number 5. Player number 6. Player number 7. And finally, the dealer's hand. Now, we have to see which hand won. And let's see if you can figure it out. Remember, use 2 or 3 cards in your hand and 2 cards out of a vertical row in your hand, or 3 cards out of your hand if you use a horizontal row.